Welcome, Astrophiles. This is Pat Cosgrove for Cosgrove's Cosmos, and today I have an update for you on my observatory project. After what seemed like an infinitely long delay because of materials and scheduling, we finally have started working on the observatory once again, and we're in the main part of the build. Over the last 2 days, work has been done to create the foundation for the observatory, and today we're going to take a look at that. We'll take 2 days of solid work and we'll reduce it to just a few moments. So, let's get started. After 2 solid days of work, the foundations are now complete. Each of the holes for the perimeter wall have concrete in their base, and they're ready for the Perma-Columns, which will be installed. The foundations for the 4 piers have been laid, and the pier plates have been embedded, and the foundations for the outrigger are complete. Next, we'll start constructing and framing the walls, and that will be the subject of the next video, so please stay tuned. Signing off, this is Pat Cosgrove for Cosgrove's Cosmos, wishing you clear skies and excellent seeing.